Veggies! Welcome to my vlog! And for today's video, we are in... Nasa tayo? Unisan! We're now here. Dito ang ating spot. Just finished setting up our bed. And they're setting up the kitchen. There's no dining area. Oh no.
We have a table.
What?
We have a table.
Yes, we have.
Like, can you put that up for a while?
No. And this is the view. Say hi to my vlog.
Hi vlog. Do you know I'm gonna send your location to the FBI?
Oh, hey. He also has a ship here. Here's the ship. Welcome to our camper, our happy place. Hello, paano yan? Welcome to our camper, our place. Happy. Anong basa doon? Sa inyong ano?
Welcome.
Welcome.
Our camper, place of our happy.
Yun pala. Welcome our camp place to camper. Can you read this for me?
Welcome to our happy place.
Camper.
No, welcome to our happy place.
The camper is not included. We just finished setting up our tent. Here is our kitchen. Tada! Super haggard. Here's our kitchen. And merong nagugutom na agad dito. Dadan! Gutom na agad siya. Hotdog. Hotdog. Ayan. Compared to Kalatagan, mas mataas yung tubig dito. So, naliliguan siya. Ayan. Meron din minsan nagde-day tour. Nagre-rent sila ng mga kubo doon. And ito ang aming place. 3 tents here. And then this one. AM's tent is here. Our dome. And our tent. Tadan, tadan, tadan. Team Moby. We are Team Moby. Moby chocolate. And we're celebrating at Ian's birthday. Yes. Happy birthday. Saan may masarap? Ate pupuntahan. Yan, sarap naman. Tapos yung mga lalagyan natin ng condense at Rino. Yan. Guys, Daan yan. Then, ito ang view. This is your life day. 4:30 p.m. Very peaceful. Where? Yes, tomorrow morning.
I am the boy who always wake up early.
Yeah, I know.
I also wake
Like
up
very
early.
early.
Also, I now wake up at 4.
Really? That's too early. Don't wake us up, okay?
Why?
Because that's too early. We have to rest. Lady! J! What's that?
And doing Blippi.
Ah, Blippi.
And saying this. You know what's the
BL?
43 for? You know the 43 means?
No. I?
It's from your friend.
What? What's that? Mom? Mommy?
Mama's birthday. He's now 43.
Ah, she's 40. Bakit baliktad yung P?
Ah, maybe that's wrong. Yeah. Or B is wrong. There. Oh my God. No, boyfriend for papunto.
Because you have to buy. Day 1 dinner. Yan po. Good morning guys! It's day 2. This is the view. Ulit sa view. Ayan. So, malinis dito guys kasi yan, araw-araw nagwawalis yung mga nagme-maintain. Doon po ang CEO. Tatas for today. Day 2 is working day. Charot. Working time. Day 2, it's Friday and it's working day. Ta-da! Another spaghetti for Trisha's birthday. Let's eat. Ito yung kanilang tindahan. Ito yung sa piso mo. 10 pesos per all. Then, meron silang volleyball court. Ito yung camping site. Nandito kami. Sa ngayon, kami pa lang yung nagka-camp. And then, dun sa medyo palayo pang yun, meron na silang mga villa or cabana. Tapos, mayroon din dito sa side na kubo, 2 kubo at isang malaking kubo or cottage. Then, ito yung grilling area. Tapos, ito yung CR. Common CR. Day 3, our breakfast is... What's our breakfast? Sopas. Wala nang butane, magsosopas pa. Talaga. Paano ba naman hindi maubusan tayo ng butane? Sopas ba naman? Ooh. Breakfast. Alon. Gusto na mag-swimming. Dito ka na. Dito ka na, Alon.
Di ba uuwi? Ikaw?
Uuwi na sila. Hi muna sa vlog ni tita. Thank you. Puwa-puwa. Ah, hindi. Hi guys, let's eat. Ensaymada. Sarap. Mamaya pa yung mga kasama ko. Nakanganga. Sarap talaga siya. Ito sila, madam. Hi ka. Ito si Luna. Ah, 10 pesos per hour. Eh, anong hihiramin mo? Ano? Ano? Scissors.
Hirap?
Oo.
Awi.
Hi Luna, happy birthday.
Hi!
Ano yan?
Yung malaki sa tabi ng trap. Yung mahaba? Oo, na. Hindi, ito.
Yan nga, ito. Zoom. Yan oh, parang zebra.
Yan, ito nga isda.
Yan parang zebra.
Sea cucumber.
Yan, AM, ahas. Yeah, ahas yan.
AM doon sa ano no? Sa trap o may isda malaki. Hindi siya makapasok.
Bakit hindi makapasok? Kunin mo na dyan. Kunin mo na.
Mabilis ko
Yun siya, oh, the fish. How to float your boat. Teach him lang. Wow!
Fit here. Alang fit here. Fit here. Head there.
Yan! Okay, at sakay na. Ito ang nakahuli po sila ng isda. Wow! Pwede na ito ipais. Sino angry?
Sinong angry?
Daho.
Sinong magalit?
Sino nagagalit?
Sinong gagalit?
Sino nagagalit?
Sinong gagalit?
Sino? Mangingitim na yan.
Una, tingnan mo sila, nakapang swimming na. Yun o, naka-rush guard sila. O, dapat ikaw din.
Putik na ito.
Luna, tingnan mo yung touch mo yung fish.
Touch mo lang.
How many?
How many daw? How to last?
Wow, ang galing. Ang galing. Nakatingin. You can hold this. Tinan mo. Ay, Luna. Ay, hindi na yan bati. Tinan mo, hold it. Oh.
Count mo lang. 1 to 10. No. Sige nga.
Oh, hold it. Touch. Whee!
Ikaw nga.
Touch mo nga.
Hindi mo.
Hindi yan nangangagat mo, babae.
Hindi mo pa pinag-edit.
Later on. Tingnan nyo nga, guys. Ulam namin tilapia. Talapia. Saka pritong talong. At meron pa rin kaming pakso.
Tingnan mo yung ano, ilagay natin sa gitna. Yung ano, singkaman.
Tingnan nyo nga, guys. Meron pa kaming singkamas at talong. Wala lang kami sigarilyo.
Yes, at mani.
Wala lang kami sigarilyo.
Para nakain ng mani.
Sigarilyas at mani. Pero meron din kami sitaw. Nasa sitaw. It is our third day and last night of our camping here at Puerto Salinca po.